How to set password in Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can set password in Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set password in Netflix profile, you cannot do it from the app. So when you open the app, you can see these profiles are locked. So if you also want to lock a certain profile so that other people can't access, you can open your browser and go to netflix.com and log into your account first. So I repeat, you have to log in from your browser. Then tap the three lines option from the top left and then just go to this option right here known as account. And once you go to this option right here that says account, from here you should be able to see a list of other details. So right here under profile and parental controls, you will be able to see a list of profiles that you have added. So if a certain profile is not locked, you will not see the lock icon like this. And if you want to go ahead and then set a password in these profiles, you have to just tap this option and then here you'll find profile lock. Now normally it is going to be off. In my case I already have turned it on, but regardless I'll show you how you can do it. Just tap the change option here and then first of all enter your Netflix account password to confirm it, and then just tap the continue button. And then this box that says require a pin to access profile, you have to make sure to check that box. When you check that box, enter the pin that you would like to use for this profile and then tap the save option, and then you would have successfully set the password for that Netflix profile. This way you can set password in Netflix profile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.